and like being a little bit late to the stream. For some reason, I don't know why, Comet has just decided to rug pull me, and it would not fire up. I tried reinstalling Comet browser on my MacBook, and it would not load. I don't know what is happening. Maybe um, maybe the OpenAI team got to it and deleted it. At last, like I've not been using Atlas for like a while. So Atlas is basically ChatGPT's browser. I'm not a big fan of it. I'm a much bigger fan of Comet. I just think Comet is a superior experience. Everybody should just be using Comet. So unfortunately, that could never happen. Now that being said, let me actually look at Bento.fun. So Bento is like a very specific project that we are looking at today, and the reason we're looking at is because I know Abhitej from a while at this point, and what they're doing is that their alpha just went live as well. You can actually like create and join markets around subjects that you care about on here. They're offering user generated markets with rewards for the markets based on the volume. There are public and private markets, and top market creators will unlock tournaments that are launching very soon. So let's go actually try them out. This is not a paid post. Again, I don't do paid posts as such right now, but at the same time, what is really good for me to look at is see who's still building even in this phase, which is huge, right? So because right now almost everybody is like really pissed off, um like in terms of like how the markets are reacting, what is happening with the Bitcoin price. People are not happy in general. People are just being like bitchy and moany in general. So this is what we've got right now. We got like never wait for a market to show up on a platform, create one with Bento, public and private, alpha just reply, link in reply, right? This is a very good you know this is a very good idea of like entering people. I don't know why they don't have like a lot higher ethos score. I think it's to be very honest, I think it's largely because they're like a new account. So this is something I would definitely ask them to consider as well, which is like maybe you need somebody to get this for you, like get reviews on Bento.fun on like ethos network itself. That would help you with like some credibility right there. Turning a group chat in your markets. I would actually write this. I just said turn your group chat into markets, right? Turn your group chat into market, or group chat takes. I would remove takes. I just make it like turn your group chat into markets. I would remove this entire line, which is sports, culture, stocks, all fair game. I'll just have backed by YZ Labs. That's it. Very short, very crispy, because the banner is already communicating that to here. So let's just go to app.better.fun. Access restricted with the access not appreciated. Huh, that is very weird. Why is it blocked? Let me actually message them. Is it blocked in UAE? Oh, I think I understand what's happening. I think it's because UAE does not allow for like um you know poly markets and a couple of others as well. Let me just try to like sort this issue out, because I actually what's happening is that they've been really cracking down on like VPN and stuff as well. So VPNs have not been working as well as they should. Let me see if I still have like Nord and stuff. Mm. Oh, literally cannot connect to Nord VPN as well in here. Let me actually see if I can use Bento.fun on my phone and then tell you guys about it. How does that sound? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if this is how it will work. Wow. Literally, as soon as I turn on this, it just decides to rug. Hmm. This is a little bit funny. Completely not aware. Oh man, nothing is working. I've hit pause and now suddenly everything is working. Oh man. Okay. Oh man. Hmm. Yep, I don't see myself like actually. Let me actually see if like Proton works on my phone. The thing is with these VPNs is that is actually cracking down against them like pretty fucking fast. So let's see if I can do like even India would work. Kind of funny how I want like an Indian server so bad right now. I literally have the premium version. What do you mean? I literally have a VPN Plus. Let's see if it works, guys. If it doesn't work, I'll have to call this off and do this some other day when I figure this out. Mm. Mhm. Yep, literally no VPNs are working. Okay, I would probably have to do something else in that case. You know what? I think I can still do something. If I cannot do this, is there literally like no prediction market that is just working for the sake of working? Like, what about like limitless and stuff? So if I go here, I go there. Does this also not load? What the fuck? How is limitless loading then? These guys. I think Polymarket, I understand. Polymarket is too big. How the fuck is Polymarket.com not secure? What? Polymarket.com. I go here. Okay. I don't know why it said like not secure here. Wow. Do they not have like an SLS or something? I don't know. Okay. Etisalat guys refuse to connect. Okay, Kalshi.com. Does Kalshi work? And Kalshi is live as well? Who is what? Okay, Bento.fun. If I do Bento.fun, okay. So here it works. Okay. Like Kalshi is live. Why is Polymarket not live? Like how fuck is Kalshi live? Wait. How does that look like? Get early access, create market share, build an economy. Yeah, that is all really, really good. Like I appreciate that. Okay, prediction versus okay, you decide the brick by brick. Oh, lovely there. Pratyaksh and Avitej. Base matches winner. Are you guys on base app? Because if you're on base batches, I would love to know if you're there. So if I go to get early access, connect with team. Okay, let's say I do have like app.mentor.com. This is a very good thing, by the way, that you're doing going this far. So if I do this, ah man, screw that. So I go back. Only one verification path is required. Okay, this is still easier for me to do here. Blah blah blah. Hmm? I think this page is getting stuck somewhere. Okay, save. Will reach out. I would want this to be a different page altogether, not necessarily not necessarily just this line. I would want this. We will reach out with onboarding step shortly. Like this is appearing right now, as just a line on the same page, I would want this to be a different page. Like I would want all of this to like disappear and be like a separate page altogether. And also, why have we not implemented some sort of referral mechanic here? Would really help. Like if you share, then it will happen faster. It's the same advice I gave to Codec, same advice I'm giving here. You guys have like free marketing built into these things, man. You don't even have to like speed up stuff on the front end. Like, you know, the invites can be all useless for all that I care. But if it gets people sharing around, then you go, game is game. So yeah. Let me see what else is happening. Actually, let me try to go to Bento's page itself. Okay, app.bento.fun, all is fair game. How is it restricted? Hmm. Okay, never mind. But I think that should definitely be there. Do they not have like a Discord or something, or like a Telegram? Like Telegram, I understand they have one for like alpha users and stuff, but do they not have like a Discord yet? Let me see. Yeah, only X. Okay, no Discord. Wow. How do people to connect with you then? If I click roadmap, okay, then you get taken here. Let me see what else we can do. There was this one segment where it changed to connect with team. So I'm just trying to see where that happens. Oh crap, man. Get early access, then it becomes connect with team. So what happens if it comes? Oh, it just goes back there. But why is it going back there? I think there should be like somewhere where people can come and actually present their thoughts and opinions. Not saying like, give everyone the equal weightage of having thoughts and opinions, but you should definitely have like a closely knit like OG users of Bento.fun. Because right now I think you're missing out on a lot of feedback that you could be getting, which people want to give you, but they cannot give you because they're like, oh well, there's no place for me to drop my thoughts and opinions. I know it's probably like 10% of people who are ever going to do that, who are going to join, but still I would highly recommend that. I'm not saying incentivize it with some like quest platform or anything like that, but still would go away. So yeah. It's time for maghrib, I think. Actually, Isha. So I think that means I would have to take an early exit right now. I think the timings in UAE are like becoming a chopper day by day. Basically, I have my prayers. So that's all for today, guys. I could not try it out. I really wanted to try it out, but my VPN would just not fucking work. We'll do like a rerun on this. Like, don't even fucking worry about it. I think that goes without saying. That idea of having more apps is really interesting. I think like what I'm going to look at now is like institutional chains, RWAs and stuff, and I'm going to look at like more base native projects, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm open to like honestly all of them. So yeah, that's what we're going to look at here. So yeah. Anyway, that's